Lesson 7-6, Graphing Ordered Pairs. The directions here say the add to table below shows a numerical pattern in the left column and the result of adding 2 in the right column. Step 1, complete the add to table. So the rule is add 2. If I start with 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. If I start with 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm just following the rule. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. Now, number 2, complete the XY table. In other words, take these numbers and show them as ordered pairs. 0, 2 become 0, 2. 1, 3. 2, 4. 3, 5. 4, 6. Number 3, each XY pair of terms represents a point. Graph and connect the points. Okay, so our first point here is 0, 2. We start at the origin and we're walking 0 spaces and we are jumping 2 spaces. So 0, 2 is going to get plotted right here. 1, 3, starting at the origin. I'm going to walk 1 space and jump 3. 2, 4. I'm going to walk 2 and jump 4. 3, 5. I'm going to walk 3 and jump 5. And finally, 4, 6. I'm going to walk 4 and jump 6. Now connect the dots. Moving on below. A person is walking at a constant speed of 4 miles per hour. Complete the table to show the distance the person will travel in 0, 1, 2, and 3 hours. Well, if they've been traveling for 0 hours, they haven't gone very far, have they? And as we were told, their speed is 4 miles per hour. So if they've been gone for 1 hour, that means they've traveled 4 miles. If they've been gone for 2 hours, that would be 8 miles. If they've been gone 3 hours, that would be 12. Each hour, they're completing 4 miles. Number 5, now write the ordered XY pairs the data represent, then graph and connect the points and extend the line. So looking at this grid, the x-axis, or the number on the left in each ordered pair, shows us time, while the y-axis shows us how far they've gone in distance. So the first point is 0, 0. You've gone 0 hours, or you've been gone for 0 hours, you have gone 0 miles. The next point will be 1, 4. If you've been gone walking for 1 hour, you will have traveled 4 miles. If you've been walking for 2 hours, you will have covered 8 miles. If you've been walking for 3 hours, you will have covered 12 miles. Okay, and then it says graph and connect the points and extend the line. All right, so we'll start at our 0, 0, then our 1, 4, over 1, up 4. And notice that the way that the axis has been labeled is technically 2 spaces equals an hour, doesn't it? And along the y-axis, each space represents 2 miles. skip counting. Just kind of notice how it's been labeled. The next point is 2 comma 8. So 1, 2, and look at where the 8 is, 2 comma 8. And then finally 3, 12, 3, 12. So we have graphed these points. Now we're going to connect the points and extend the line. And here's what that means. Connecting my 4 points, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to extend the line. Number 6. How far would you expect the person to travel in 2.5 hours? Explain your answer. Well, let's look at our line. There's 1 hour, there's 2 hours, there's 3 hours. Right here would be 2.5 hours. Let's trace that up and across. We would expect the person to have covered 10 miles. And this makes sense because we know that the speed is 4 miles an hour. So after 2 hours, uh, 8 miles would be covered. Another half hour. 1 hour is 4 miles, so another half hour would add 2 miles to this for a total of 10. And there you have it.